Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to create an avatar on Instagram. Open your Instagram, tap on your profile at the bottom right, tap on edit profile. Here you'll get this avatar option, so all you have to need just tap on avatar and make sure to select your avatar and click on create avatar. Choose a skin tone for your avatar, tap on next. Select here your hairstyle. You can select hair color from here. Tap on this dress icon to select the outfit for your avatar. So all you have to need just tap on all of these categories to customize your avatar according to your choice. And that's how you'll be able to create an avatar on Instagram. If this video will help you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.